Good morning, traders, and assalamu alaikum. This is Rana from UK Professional Trading School. Hope everyone is okay. Today I'm gonna show you in this video how to make 200% of your account balance. Yes, you heard it right. So guys, before I start guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated from my upcoming video. So let's start our video guys. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how I make 200% profit in $1,000 accounts. Before I start guys, please once again please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And if you need any services from me, there is a link in the descriptions of my Telegram channel, and also you can contact me on my Telegram at UK Pro Traders. So I'm happy to help you everyone. So let's start and came back to our video. As you can see guys, this is the real money account. As you can see on this account, we made about $241 profit today. The key thing in that profit is the lot size is 0.03, 0.02, 0.06, 0.02. And what's the big thing about this lot size, gold lot size, is 0.02, and we make about $47. Yeah, it's 40 hardly $48 on 0.02 lot size, and we go about 250 pips on that single trade. So guys, that's the reason I always recommend you guys always trade with risk and money management. So you have to make your own trading rule and you have to follow them if you want to be a successful. Let's go to the monthly history of this account. As you can see guys, this guy is deposit about $1,000 on this account, and the profit on that account is $1,654. He already withdrew $250. The balance of that account is 2404. Let me scroll up and show you what day he make a deposit. He make a deposit, as you can see there's a different amounts. So he make deposit on 30 or 31st 30 of March 2020. As you can see, this is the real money account. So on 1st of April he make a withdrawal of $250, and after that his account balance is only left $750. The reason why he make a withdrawal, because he need money from the backup for the account, because yeah, that's the reason we withdraw this money, and I start trading on that account. As you can see, the lot sizes are 0.02, and that's the key thing. If you want to be successful in this market, you have to follow your rules. You have to make the rules, as I told so many times in my previous videos as well. You have to follow the rules of risk and money management. If someone asks me what is my risk and money management, so I'm gonna tell you now. I hardly take more than 1 or 2% of the account balance on a single trade. So what's that mean is, if you have $1,000 account, so you have to take maximum risk of $20 per trade. With that, you have more chances to stay in the market, to live in this market. So always keep the money and the money management and the risk management. So guys, if you need any kind of help from me, there is a link in the description, so you can contact me on my telegrams. I'm happy to help you guys. So as you can see, the history of this account, 0.02. So far we have 0.02 and 0.01 lot size. Okay, so we are making profit on that. We have some losing trades as well on this account. If like here we have this euro AUD $20 loss, euro 0.01 lot size. Yeah, it's a bit high, but the thing is that loss we made because of that news thing. And here we have another loss of $22, but the lot size is 0.03. Apart from that, from here we have winning trades. I know some of the trades have little profit, but market, when we have to see the volatility of the market. As you can see, this is the one of the biggest trade, 0.01 lot size, and we make about 300 pips on that trade. The profit is about $41 or $42 from that trade. So guys, you can see the lot sizes. That's the key thing if you want to be a successful in this market you have to follow the risk and the money management. If you want to be a millionaire in one night, so it's not gonna happen. So if someone says you, that person lied to you. So guys, if you need signals, account management, any copy trading, or if you want to be a professional trader like me, I teach people as well. Nowadays my school is closed, so I'm teaching people online. So guys, please contact me and I'm happy to help you guys. All right guys, thank you very much. And once again, please, before you go guys, thanks for watching this video. Before you go guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated from my upcoming videos. All right sir, thank you very much, take care of yourself, thank you, cheers, bye.